Happy Saturday, lovelies. I hope you're all well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make egg stew. Very simple, and this stew you can pair it easily with rice. We can pair it with boiled yam, plantain, or rice. Let me show you all the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. Here you can see the blended tomatoes, ginger, garlic and onions, 6 eggs and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. We have pear crushed chili, about a teaspoon, ginger, teaspoon garlic, and also we have all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, red onion and spring onion. It's time to prep the vegetables. If you're new here, I'm Kai and I share easy, quick and very delicious recipes on this channel. The good thing with this recipe I'm sharing with you today is a recipe that you can make for breakfast, and before you realize, it's something you can also use for lunch or even dinner. So this is a recipe that is very, very handy and easy to make, very quick as well. I'm going to pair the stew with plantains, boiled plantains. So it looks like it's too ripe and soft. It's still very hard, so it's good to boil it when it's like this, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use 3 plantains. After rinsing and cutting the plantain, I'm just going to fill my cooking pot with some water and then add the plantain. Feel free to add a little bit of salt as well at this stage if you wish to, or a little bit later on. I'm going to let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes and the plantain will be ready. I'm preparing the stew now, so I just added a little bit of oil and the tomato puree. Once that is cooked 2 to 5 minutes, add the blended ingredients and then keep stirring. Make sure you're cooking this on medium heat and add all the seasoning. Now I'm going in with the eggs. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box, and don't forget to let me know what you're going to pair this stew with. I just checked the plantains and they are ready. Now I'm focusing back on the stew and I'm going to let it cook for a little while here. I just went in with a little bit of salt, bicarbonate, just to make sure the tomato sourness is completely gone, and I'm going to garnish this with the spring onions. And going in as well with the red onions, and our stew is ready. Another easy recipe to make, and you can enjoy this in the morning, afternoon, or even dinner time. You can pair this with some spaghetti if you wish to, or some baguette in the morning for breakfast. It's now time to serve the food. Thanks to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Keep dropping your comments. I really love reading your comments, and keep sharing my videos as well. Now our food is ready and it's time to grab a fork. In Togo, we say midunulo, meaning you guys are invited to join me. Let's dig in. This right here is for you guys. And if today is your first time coming across my channel and you don't want to miss out on these yummy recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell. Guys, what do you think about today's recipe? Let me know and try the recipe as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. And don't forget to drop what you're going to pair this stew with. Au revoir. Bye.